Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to enable maintenance mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. The setting can be located if we go to settings, scroll down and look for device care. Here we also want to scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom we can see maintenance mode. You can simply click it. And as you can see here, it is shown what maintenance mode does. Basically, it will hide any personal information, for example, your gallery, etc., and will only leave the most important things working. So it's basically the best option to enable it, and then give away your phone for a repair, for example. So as you can see now, if we go to our gallery, we can see that we do have some photos here, and if you turn on our maintenance mode, but we will have to have a screen lock, as I don't have currently one, so I will simply go to pattern and I will set this simple L shape and yada, and now if we turn it on, you will need to restart your phone. I mean, your phone will, your phone will automatically restart, and as you can see, it could take 2 minutes. And after the lock is created, your phone will restart in the maintenance mode, and you can safely hand over your phone for maintenance. Which means that after a while, our phone should restart in maintenance mode, meaning that we shouldn't see any of our private info on our phone. And as you can see now, we are switching to maintenance mode, and we can see this little icon here. So now, there is no password needed to unlock it. And as you can see, if we go to our gallery, we'll have nothing here. And if we try to find, for example, as you can see, we don't even have other applications, only the one that are built in already. And now our phone can be easily repaired or anything. And if you want to change it back, we can simply tap here to exit our maintenance mode. We want to exit it, restart, and also input our password in order to turn it off. And after turning off, our phone should be ready to use. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.